Hey everybody, this is Brad from Johnson Small Engines. Just going to show you a mulching kit cover that you can put on a L100 series, 125 series. They got a whole bunch of series on here, the L130s, LA115, all these and above. So the Sabre, the old Scott's tractor, this all works on that particular model. Part number is GY00115. And basically get in a box, order it in from your dealer. When you get your mower you want to make sure you put the mower deck all the way down. We'll pull this out of the box. It does come with instructions, but I just figured it'd be a nice little video to show everybody how I do it. Pretty easy. First, flip up your first safety guard. You have a metal safety guard. A lot of people push these up and they don't go up, and they wonder why. You actually have to pull these out a little bit before they go up, okay? They actually lock in. It's a safety feature. So you pull them out, lock them up, and then hold on to that. Now this channel right here, this channel gets very gummed up, full of grass and packed dirt and everything. You want to make sure you clean that the best you can before you put the cover on. All right, cover has a little indentation right here, and that's going to go right into your safety guard up top, right behind it, underneath it there. And then your ridges of your new mulching cover actually are going to go right into your frame of the mower deck. That's why it's so important to have this clean here. And then you just push down on it, kind of lock it all in there. I can see the back part here. Sometimes your decks actually get bent up here and you can't get them locked in, so you kind of have to play with them a little bit to get them locked down. There you go. Then you have your one bungee. Look for the hole right above your gauge wheel here. That's where the first one goes. All right, and then back here, this is for something different right here. There's a hole back here on the back side of the mower deck, and that's where you want to put this guy. All right, that's pretty much it. Then you have to pull this out a little bit, lock it down in there, and lock your chute down. And there you have it. That's how you put a mulching kit on. And again, just for you guys out there for the part number, this will work on all these John Deeres. Part number GY00115, and this is just a mulching cover. And if you don't have mulching blades on, you're going to want to get a set of mulching blades. You can get that from your local John Deere dealer. Thanks for watching.